20 remodeled bathrooms you'll love. If you want to style your bathroom along the traditional lines, Rejuvenation is the online place to go. I've bought stuff from them and have always been pleased. To duplicate the look of bathrooms in the first half of the 20th century, a great resource is Rejuvenation hardware. Stay warm even when it's snowing outside while tucking into a nice, hot bath in this massive soaking tub. The floor-to-ceiling window brings in all of the natural light you could want. Trendsetting stainless steel tub fixtures mean this is a truly modern bathroom. You've gotta have a big bathroom for this one. It's called decking. Go for the bold with this in-your-face bathroom, featuring acres of glazed porcelain marble look wall and floor tiles. Once again, it's your dream bathroom, resplendent with an angular freestanding tub perched front and center, frameless glass shower, and Corinthian white honed field tile, 12 inches by 24 inches Bedrosians. Don't you just love this elegantly remodeled bathroom from Mission Stone and Tile, found in a pre-war Manhattan condominium? The large honed and polished 8 inches oriental white hexagonal tile on the back wall honors the 20th century urban tradition of tiling floors in hexagonal and octagonal tile. Traditional is maintained at this remodeled bathroom, just on the edge of New York City's Chelsea neighborhood. Tile from Mission Stone and Tile graces this pristine bathroom and its classic pedestal sink and modern frameless glass shower. How many bathrooms have round tiles? Octagonal? Yep. Hex. Lots do. But round tiles are rare. Mod dots are the signature product of Modwalls. These penny-sized tiles come in 12 inches square mesh-mounted sheets. Typical bathroom tile, white subway tile, 3 inches by 6 inches, glass mosaic, or 4-inch tile. This is not typical. It's called Aura, and it's from tile purveyor, Ann Sachs. The bright glass and white classic bathroom remodels seen in our earlier pictures have a cousin. But where those were sharp and shrill, this one is cool and mellow. Who needs 2 pedestal sinks? The owners of this cottage do. And they'll always be able to distinguish the his and hers sinks because, as you may note, the basin of each sink is different. When considering various bathroom renovation ideas, lighting plays a major role. One problem with pedestal sinks is you're typically limited to wall bracket lights on either side of the mirror. Or the quick and dirty light bar. If you're looking for the short and direct path to a Craftsman-style bathroom renovation, it doesn't get much easier than Portland, Oregon-based, yet still online, Rejuvenation hardware. If you want peach, you've got peach. Specifically, Valspar's Peach Taffy, with the window sash painted La Fonda Flamenco pink. Other than all this peach, this is a bathroom renovation idea that keeps it simple: glass vessel sink elevated on a custom-built pedestal, oval mirror, and a few pendant lights. Easy flowing contemporary lines in this bathroom renovation idea, using Kichler Lighting's Montara collection. And nothing can get more contemporary than vessel sinks and glass bricks. This comes from Rejuvenation hardware and is meant to highlight their stylish La Grande wall bracket lights. Most bathroom renovation ideas tend to leave ladders out of the scheme. But this one, from Valspar, tosses a ladder into the mix, and why not? Small bathrooms don't have to be unstylish and dour. Whatever you do to large bathrooms can be done to smaller bathrooms, just on a reduced scale. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.